In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on live captions in Microsoft Teams. This is a powerful accessibility feature that can make a big difference during meetings. Live captions allow spoken words to appear as text on your screen in real time, which is especially helpful if you're hard of hearing, joining from a noisy environment, or simply prefer to read along while others speak. It's also a great support tool for non-native speakers, helping everyone stay on the same page throughout the conversation. Let's jump right in and walk through how to enable it. To get started, sign into your Microsoft Teams account. Open the Microsoft Teams application on your computer and select the Sign-in option on the main screen. After entering your login details, you'll be taken to the Teams dashboard. This is your central hub, where you can see your recent chats, upcoming meetings, and other tools you'll use regularly. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen and find the Video or Meetings icon. This section shows all meetings you have scheduled and also gives you the option to start a new one. If you already have a meeting planned, go ahead and click on it to join. If not, you'll need to start a new meeting so you can access the caption feature. After you've entered the meeting, or once the meeting environment loads, give it a moment to fully start. Live captions can only be turned on while you're actively inside a meeting, so this step is essential. When everything is ready, focus your attention on the meeting controls, usually located near the top or bottom of the screen. Next, find the More Options button, which is commonly shown as 3 dots. Clicking this opens a menu filled with additional settings that aren't immediately visible when you first join a meeting. This area includes several useful tools related to how you experience the meeting. From the menu, move your cursor over the Language and Speech section. A submenu will appear, showing different language-related features available in Microsoft Teams. This is where you'll find the option you need. Select Show Live Captions. As soon as you click it, Teams will begin displaying spoken dialogue as text along the bottom of your screen in real time. You can now follow the conversation visually as it happens. And that's it. You now know how to turn on live captions in Microsoft Teams. This feature is incredibly useful for improving clarity, accessibility, and overall understanding during meetings. If you ever need to turn it on again, just follow these same steps and you'll be ready in seconds. Thank you for watching, and happy captioning. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.